the ultimate guide to growing microgreens. Microgreens are tiny, nutrient-packed greens that are harvested at an early stage of growth, typically within 7 to 21 days after sowing. These miniature plants are not only visually appealing but also highly nutritious, packed with concentrated flavors and vitamins. Growing microgreens is a fantastic way to add fresh, healthy greens to your meals, even in limited space or during the winter months. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the step-by-step process of growing microgreens. From selecting the right seeds to harvesting and enjoying your own homegrown microgreens. Selecting microgreen seeds. Choose high-quality seeds specifically labeled for microgreens. Popular microgreens varieties include broccoli, kale, radish, beetroot, sunflower, pea shoots, and many others. Experiment with different flavors and textures to find your favorites. Ensure that the seeds are untreated, as treated seeds may be harmful if consumed. Choosing growing containers. Microgreens can be grown in a variety of containers, including trays, shallow pots, or even recycled containers like plastic clamshell containers or salad boxes. Ensure that the containers have drainage holes or are lined with a paper towel to prevent waterlogging. Preparing the growing medium. Use a lightweight and sterile growing medium for your microgreens. Options include commercial potting mix, soilless seed starting mix, or even coconut coir. Avoid using regular garden soil, as it may contain pathogens and is not ideal for indoor cultivation. Fill your containers with the chosen growing medium, leaving about ½ inch of space at the top. Sowing microgreen seeds. Evenly spread the seeds over the prepared growing medium, ensuring they are not too densely packed. Gently press the seeds into the growing medium to improve contact. Different seeds have different sowing depths, but as a general rule, cover the seeds with a thin layer of growing medium or use a spray bottle to lightly mist them with water. Watering microgreens. Water the microgreens gently using a spray bottle or a fine mist setting on a watering can to avoid dislodging the seeds. Ensure that the growing medium remains consistently moist but not overly wet. Check the moisture level regularly and water as needed. Avoid overwatering, as excessive moisture can lead to mold or rot. Providing proper lighting. Microgreens require ample light to grow properly. Place the trays or containers in a well-lit area with indirect sunlight or near a sunny window. If natural light is limited, consider using fluorescent grow lights or LED grow lights. Position the lights about 2 to 4 inches above the tops of the microgreens, adjusting the height as the plants grow. Maintaining optimal temperature and humidity. Microgreens generally thrive in temperatures between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. Ensure that the growing area remains within this temperature range. Maintain a slightly higher humidity level by covering the trays with a clear plastic lid or using a plastic wrap until the seeds germinate. Once the seeds sprout, remove the covering to prevent moisture buildup. Caring for microgreens. Regularly check the microgreens for moisture and adjust watering as needed. Avoid using chemical fertilizers, as microgreens generally do not require them for healthy growth. However, if you want to boost growth, use a diluted organic liquid fertilizer once the seedlings have developed their first true leaves. Harvesting microgreens. Microgreens are typically ready for harvest 7 to 21 days after sowing, depending on the variety. Once the seedlings have developed their first set of true leaves, use scissors or a sharp knife to cut the microgreens just above the soil line. Rinse them gently to remove any residual soil and pat them dry before using or storing them in the refrigerator. Enjoying microgreens. Microgreens are incredibly versatile and can be used in various culinary creations. Add them to salads, sandwiches, wraps, soups, stir-fries, or use them as a garnish for added flavor and nutrition. Experiment with different combinations to discover your preferred microgreen pairings. Growing microgreens is a simple and rewarding way to incorporate fresh, nutritious greens into your diet. By following the step-by-step instructions in this comprehensive guide, you can successfully grow your own microgreens at home, regardless of your gardening experience or available space. From selecting the right seeds to harvesting and enjoying the bounty, the journey of growing microgreens is both satisfying and delicious. Get ready to elevate your meals with the vibrant colors, concentrated flavors, and abundant nutrients of homegrown microgreens. Happy growing!